मिलकर बोले आओ। और ये है आओ की मात्रा। क्विंटन आओ को कैसे लिखते हैं? आइए इसे कुछ इस तरह से सीखें। आओ को लिखने के लिए सबसे पहले हम इस प्रकार से नंबर 3 यानी 3 को लिखेंगे। प्यारे बच्चों, जिस प्रकार से मैं लिख रही हूँ आप अपनी लिखित पुस्तिका पर ठीक इसी तरह से। तो हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले हमने नंबर 3 को लिखा। नंबर 3 को लिखने टाइम हम इसे थोड़ा सा आगे की ओर ले जाएं, कुछ इस प्रकार से। So let us start with a warm-up activity. Just think, whenever your parents order pizza, then it comes to you in which shape? Yes, you're right. Shape of pizza box is square. And when you open it, what is the shape of pizza? Yes, you're right. It is circle. Now, when you are ready to eat this yummy pizza, what is its shape now? Yes, you are again right. Now it is triangle. So dear Goenkans, how many shapes are related with pizza? There are 3 shapes related with pizza. And they are, you also say along with me, square, circle and triangle. Right. Now, which 2 basic shapes are missing? And they are rectangle and an oval. Now, let us read more about the chapter shapes. Think about these memories when everybody will talk about these, when everybody will be sleeping and thinking about these beautiful memories. They'll be happy. They will be cherishing that how beautifully we have sung during the day. And the best song, the song you will love the most, that will come to your mind. And you will try to sing it in a soft voice with yourself. And because of that, what will happen? You will have very beautiful sleep during the night. So dear children, now let's read this poem. You can open page number 61. I have already told you open page number 61. Now you can open page number 61. If anybody is left or had joined late, you can open page number 61. And now let's start reading the poem. Come, my little children. Come, my little children, here are songs for you. So here the poet is calling children and saying to them that, come dear children, I have got many songs for you. As you go to music class every day, what happens to you? You go there, you sit there, then there are your teachers and there are your music teachers. What do? They call you and then they say, come sit here, we have got new song for you. Tomorrow is your assembly. You have to start learning it, then we will give you the tune and then you have to sing it this way. Similarly, this poet is telling children, dear children, come. I have got songs for you. I have got new songs for you today. And I want you to learn how to sing them. Some are short, some are long, and all are new. The poet is saying to the children, dear children, see, I have got these songs for you. Some among these songs are short, and some among these songs. But one important thing about these songs is that I have got all new songs for you. All the songs that I have got for you, among them none is old.
Now let's turn to the next page. Let's sum up first. The natural home or environment of an animal, plant or other organism. A habitat is a place where an organism makes its home. Now, do you know destruction of habitat causes extinction of plants and animals? Therefore, it is important to preserve it. Think about it, my dear students. If we destruct their habitat, where will all birds and animals live? If we do the deforestation, where would our wild animals live? So, we all should try to preserve habitat. Like it's for us humans, we need a house to live in. We can't survive without a house.
तकसीम करना था और आपको क्या करना था, दो हिस्सों में तकसीम करके जो दूसरा वाला हिस्सा है उसमें आपको क्या लिखना था, उसमें आपको ग्रामर का पोर्शन लिखना है जो कि मैंने आपको क्लास में बताया है। और अभी मैंने आपको फहरिस्त का सफ़ा जो है वो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया, यानी अब आप इस बात से वाकिफ हो गए कि आपको कैसे लिखना है, किस तरह से लिखना है। अब आप बताइए बच्चों, कोई सवाल है? आज के उन्वान के मुतल्लिक अगर कोई सवाल है तो आप अपना हाथ खड़ा कीजिए। चलिए, आयदा सकीना बेटा बोलिए क्या बात है। आयदा, आप मुझे सुन रही है बेटा?
यस।
बताइए क्या बात है आयदा। जल्दी बताइए बेटा।
हमें गिनती के लिहाज से इसम की किसमें कॉपी पे लिखना है, उसकी मेन वाहिद और वो भी लिखना है। इसको वाहिद इसको कहते हैं।
बताया कि कैसे लिखना है, बराबर आप वैसे उसी तरीके से आप लिखेंगे बेटा।
ओके,
ठीक है। और कोई सवाल?
नहीं।
तब आपको अच्छे से समझ आया आज का?
हाँ।
चलिए, अच्छी बात है। चलिए, और कोई सवाल किसी को पूछना है बेटा? रिहान अहमद।
मैंने 6 और 7 नहीं किया है।
जी बेटा?
मैंने 6th और 7th वीकली प्लान नहीं किया है अभी।
6th और 7th वीकली प्लान आपने नहीं किया है, लेकिन बेटा वो अपलोड होता रहा ना, आपने क्यों नहीं किया बेटा?
हमारा उम्रा पे था।
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं है, वो तो वैसे भी साइट पे है, गोइंका की साइट पे आप जाइए, वहां पे आप देखिए वो वहीं पे है, तो आप उसको